Guys, I've just discovered something like a hidden gem here in Hyams Beach. Look at this, guys. So welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today what's that, Clarke? He's very excited, right, Clarke? Ready, Clarke? Yeah. Hi, Clarke. Say hi. Hi, Clarke. Are you ready to swim, Clarke? We already had our breakfast. I think his mom is already here. Oh, mommy's here. Mommy's here. He's already wearing his swimming attire. Look at Momo. See you. See you. Yeah, Google mentioned it's one of the whitest sand out there. So before anything else, roll that intro, please. So we just arrived here at Hyams Beach. So let's get ready. Alright. My beautiful wife.
Ay, talaga ba?
Let's go to the beach now. One of the whitest sand out there. Let's go. Grabe, dito na kami sa Whitest Beach. Whitest Beach. Ano? Ha? Look, oh, tinan mo, puti, oh. Puti. Andun si Clarke naglalaro. Ano masabi mo, mami?
Okay naman,
Ha?
second time naman.
Second time? Yes!
But with friends.
Yes! Oh, with friends. Kasama na namin yung friends namin. Tapos mas maraming tao ngayon eh. Ang punta namin, konti lang yung tao pero mahangin. Pero ngayon, okay na.
Mas mainit.
Mas mainit?
Oo.
Ha?
Mas mainit.
Oh, look at mami, oh. Oh, boom! 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 Andun si Clarke. Clarke is playing. Ha? Why are you playing?
Nasa
What's that? Look.
mamaya
What's that? Do you like the sand?
Maligo ako eh.
Do you like? Oh, look at mommy, oh. Mommy's making a sand castle.
But it will
Mommy's making a sand castle.
But
Look,
it
look, there's a bird, oh. Bird, oh. Bird. Look, there's a bird. Bird. There. Clarke still playing, di na namamansin si Clarke. He keeps on ignoring us. Grabe naman yan. Sino nag-prepare?
Food trip.
May nanalo na. Ito. Boom. Sarap. The best. Pwedeng pang-vlog yan, ah.
Hindi siya
Hello guys, di maalog.
hindi maalog.
Hindi, pwede. Pwede.
Ako ang sinusundan niya eh.
Pwede. There's the water. Go. Go. Playing, oh. Look at daddy. Oh. having fun right now. Look at that. It's so clear. Grabe, sobrang babaw ng tubig. Kahit maglakad ka ng mga kahit banda dun pa sa dulo, mababaw pa rin, hanggang tuhod pa rin yung tubig. Ganda dito sobra. Tapos yung weather, it's not too sunny, there's no direct sunlight, and the wind is blowing a bit cold, so it's a perfect day for us. Jump Clarke ha? Jump again?
Jump, 1, 2, 3.
Kaya niya yan?
Ibang view din. Parang
Grabe guys, nilamig si Clarke. Kakatapos lang nila maligo, mag-swimming. Guys, I've just discovered something like a hidden gem here in Hyams Beach. Look at this, guys.
My, oh my.
There are like rocks, beautiful rocks, and then there's these seaweeds over here, and then there's a small beach there. See that small beach? Another white sand beach. And then there's private residential in front, right in front of the Hyams beach. There, private residential, and over there. I need to head back now to our location. I think I've been gone for 20 minutes. I think they're already looking for me. Clarke's already looking for me. See you guys. The day is almost over and we've just gone back near our Airbnb house. Ano? Gone back? Yeah, got back. Kung ano man yun. There's mommy, oh. She's very tired of taking care of Clarke. Clarke keeps on running. Are you happy? Of course, Daddy. By the way, guys, may papakita ako. I'd like you guys to see this amazing view here near our house. Check this out. Look at that. Did you see, guys, that? So there are like ferries, public ferries, and then private boat, and then yeah. So this Hyams Beach is a part of Jervis Bay. You can do fishing, crabbing. We haven't tried fishing, so I think maybe tomorrow we will do that together with our friends. And yeah, the day is almost over and we need to say goodbye for the meantime, and we will see you guys tomorrow again. So mommy, You're closing the lens now in 3, 2, 1. Bye.